In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce variation swatches. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to Plugins and then select Add New Plugin. This is where you can search for and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. In the search bar, type Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now, and after the installation finishes, click Activate. This plugin adds visual variation options like color swatches, image swatches, labels, and radio buttons, which can make your product pages much more user-friendly. Next, go to Products and then Attributes. This is where WooCommerce stores the options you'll use for variable products such as color, size, or material. Here you can either create a brand new attribute or edit one you already have. When you open the attribute settings, look for the type dropdown. After activating the plugin, you'll now see additional display types, including color, image, button or label, and radio. Choose the one that fits the kind of variation you want to show, then click Add Attribute. After that, return to the attribute screen and click Configure Terms next to the attribute you just created. Terms are the individual values inside that attribute, like red, blue, or small. Edit each term one by one. Depending on the type you selected earlier, you'll now be able to assign a specific color, upload an image, or enter a custom label. This is the part that controls how each option will appear on the product page. So take a moment to make sure everything is clear and consistent. Once your attribute terms are ready, go to Products and then All Products and open the product you want to edit. This should be a product that will use variations. Scroll down to the product data section and change the product type from simple product to variable product. This is an important setting because swatches only appear when the product is configured to use variations. Now click on the Attributes tab, add the attribute you configured earlier, choose the values you want to offer, check the box for Used for Variations, and then click Save Attributes. After that, open the Variations tab and generate your variations. Here you can set unique prices, stock levels, and even images for each variation, which is especially useful if different colors or styles need their own product image. Finally, click Update to save and publish your changes. Once that's done, your product will display those variation swatches on the front end, giving customers a cleaner and more visual way to select product options.